Hi, so today we are going to move forward with our next well concept of reactivity, that are effect and universal reactivity. So to learn this concept, let's move on to the VS Code. Now, what is effect state? So basically, for example, you are on YouTube for around 30 minutes and then you want to set a timer. Okay, now it's been around 30 minutes and just stop. It's danger now, like that. Okay, so as you know, Svelte is directly connected to the DOM. It directly syncs and updates the DOM. So what you can use effect and let this project know that the state has been changed, the DOM state has been changed now, and you will get a pop-up over here that okay, stop now, it's danger now. So for example, here as you can see the num value is getting changed, right? So if I use effect state over here with if condition, that if num value is equal to 5, okay, then give a alert of danger. Looks good. Let's save it and check. 2, 3, 4, 5. On 5, it says danger. Okay, now it's danger. Don't move forward like that. A pop up will come. So, whenever the DOM state changes at whatever point, you can give a condition. Okay, you can give a condition and can perform any of the tasks, not just alert. You can perform any of the tasks as your wish. Whenever you seems that okay, if this condition happen in the project, whenever this condition come over here for time also, you can do that. If this time date have been exceed, now you have to renew the subscription, like that also function you can give for the project. So now moving forward to our universal reactivity concept. Okay, so what is universal reactivity? Suppose you are on Insta, okay, and there are three tabs of profile, then updates, and then of maybe for example posts. So what are you doing? You are going on post tab and uploading a new post from 1 to 2. Now it's gone. What you want, whenever you are changing a state, for example this post you are changing from 1 to 2, it also gets updated in your other tab. Similar to this tab also, it should get updated. You don't have to go again to this tab, to this tab and this tab and update it manually. Of course you don't want that. Whenever it gets changed over here, it should get also changed over here and here also by default. So you can done it by universal concept. Here what we were doing, using a state concept for a single file only. What if I want to use this state concept of this common, that variable is there, I want to use it over here. Whenever it gets changed over here, it should also get reflected in the my other file also. Here it when universal concept comes in picture. Okay, now let's see how we can achieve it. For example, here it's a let me just erase all this, we don't want. What I'm going to do is create a new file, name temp, and remember you have to name it .swell.js. Without this .swell.js, it won't work. So the common thing, the num is getting changed. So the common thing we are going to enter in this .js file, const num, const num is equal to state function we are going to use, okay, and give it a value. Number is 0. Now we want to export it. Without exporting, we can't import it in other files, right? So here we are going to import it. Import, what we are going to import? What was the name? Num, right? We are going to import this num from dot slash the stem svelte. Looks great. Okay. And we are going to use this over here. Num dot number is from here, this number, that is 0 plus equal to 1. I'm directly creating the function over here only, not creating the function separately. Let's save it and try it. Have I saved it? So look, now it's working now on saving. Let's click it. Yep, it's working very fine. So what we can do is create a multiple files over here, and we can just do a import of this num, that the common thing we have created over here. This is the common thing that we can use for n number of files, and then you have to just import it and use wherever you want in any of your files. Looks great. This is also working fine. So this is how universally you can use the reactivity. Okay. So now thank you for watching the video, and meet you soon in the next video. Bye.